Hi, hi, hi. How is everyone today? Hello, hello. Oh my goodness. It is December. I feel I should be singing something Christmassy. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. I've got the whiff box, the whiff box, the whiff box. Oh my goodness. It arrived this morning. I had four huge boxes delivered today, and I've got most of it all set out on the table next to me, ready to sort and deliver. But one of the things that came was mine, and it is my whiff box. And I've suddenly remembered I haven't turned it round so that you can read things properly, so I do apologise that you're going to be reading backwards. But this is the December Whiff Box, and I'm very, very excited. I have got an inkling what's in here, but I am looking forward to sharing with you what we've got. So for anybody, well, I struggle to open it because I always do this, don't I? For anybody who doesn't know, I'm Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter Sapphire. And ordinarily on a Thursday we would be together doing all our Scentsy orders, backing them all up and delivering them. But unfortunately today she's had to go into her day job. So she is out there designing kitchens today, and I get the fun of being here sorting out all the Scentsy. So I think I've drawn the better straw, if I'm honest. So let's see what is in the December box. Are you ready? Are you ready? Can we play a peekaboo? Oh, peekaboo. Here we go. So it says, what does it say? I can't read it. Walking in a cleaning wonderland. There we go. Walking in a cleaning wonderland. And it says, your December Whiff Box has what you need to keep any holiday mess in check. To help you get ready for your Christmas guests, we've included exclusive Scentsy clean and laundry products in your December Whiff Box. Keep your holidays fresh and clean this year. I love that. Walking in a cleaning wonderland. So we all know what it's like. You've got guests coming round for Christmas. You need to clean up, get tidy, get everything beautiful and fresh before they arrive. They come, they make loads of mess, and then we've got to clean up after it. So this is what we need for that. Look at this whiff box. Wow, it is very, very heavy. So let's see what we have got. We're starting off, I love this. This is, oh, I really should have made a little bit more space on my desk. Okay. Don't know what I've just dropped. So we start off, we have got the all-purpose concentrate. Now, I use this all the time. This is amazing. So this huge bottle actually makes up 6 bottles, and they have given us, let me put that down for a moment, they have given us a refill bottle. So this, you've got your spray and you've got a clear bottle, and on here you've got a mark. So can you see, I don't know whether you can see very well, but there's a green line just there. You fill it up to that line with the all-purpose cleaner, and it's a concentrate. So then you put water in the rest of it, fill it right to the top, and then that's your cleaner. So how amazing it is that concentrated. It makes 6 of these bottles to use. So I've got, I think 2 or 3 bottles of this, because it lasts for ages, absolutely ages. And I clean absolutely everywhere. I clean my kitchen with it. I clean the bathroom. I use it for the floors, so it's great to pop a little bit in a bucket of water, mop the floors. Amazing. So this is an amazing cleaner, and it smells incredible. So this is in banana leaf and bamboo, which is much fresher than I thought it was going to be. I remember smelling the wax for the first time thinking, no, I'm not going to like this. But actually it's really fresh. It doesn't smell of bananas. Banana leaf doesn't smell of bananas. There we go. You heard it here first. So there we go. All-purpose cleaner concentrate. And it comes with an exclusive bottle there to mix it. Oh, I'm dropping everything today. Good grief. We then have Scentsy Fresh. So Scentsy Fresh is amazing. You can. Now I want to smell this because this is in Wild Cherry and Sakura. I think that's how you say it. Let's do it so you can read it. Wild Cherry and Sakura. So let me just put that down. I'll get that back up in a second. I'm going to see if I can open it and have a sniff. We'll just open that with some scissors. So it says, Wild Cherry accents the delicate beauty of Sakura blossom and pink jasmine. Now I know what jasmine is. I love the smell of jasmine. But Sakura blossom, I have to be honest, I have no idea. And I love the smell of cherries. So I am definitely looking forward to this. Let me just get, I shouldn't really be doing this with scissors on a live. I'll try not to take my fingers off. There we go. Just getting it out the plastic. I'll natter away while we're doing that. There we go. We've got the plastic off it. So let's open this up. I probably don't need to put the spray in there really, do I? I can just sniff the bottle. So this you can spray just as a room spray, but you can also, just going to use the scissors. You can also spray it onto fabrics. So you can spray it onto curtains, onto bedding. I often give my bed a spritz of Scentsy Fresh in between, like it gets washed at the weekends, but in between, quick spritz of it just to freshen it up is lovely. Right. Ooh. I was expecting to get slightly more cherry fragrance. It's definitely more floral. I am going to have a proper squirt, I think. Let's put the lid on it. So it comes disattached, so it doesn't like leak anywhere. Off. Let's turn it to the on position. There we go. We might need a couple of spritzes to get it going. Oh yeah, that's nice. So that is definitely, yeah, more floral, but I can now smell the sort of cherryness is definitely an undertone. That's nice. Wild Cherry and Sakura. So now we know that Sakura smells really nice. I need to find a picture of what that looks like, what the flower is like. So far we've got our all-purpose with the bottle, and we've got Scentsy Fresh. We haven't finished. Let me get the rest of the box. Now we have got, sorry, I keep getting whiffs of the Scentsy Fresh now. That is lush. I do think I sprayed it in my coffee though, which probably won't enhance the taste of my coffee. So we've got Scentsy pods. So these are for if you've got one of our fan diffusers. So if you've got one of the mini fans, a wall fan, you might have, what else could you have? You could have, up here, the air purifier. There is the new Scentsy Air, and of course the Scentsy Go. So if you've got any of those devices, this is what you put in them. Okay, and aloe water and cucumber is very fresh, and it is a very top favourite fragrance. It's very fresh. It is lovely. It's not one I particularly go for myself, just because I prefer fruity and bakery and those sort of fragrances, but it is a beautiful, delicate fragrance. It's kind of, I want to say a bit spa-like. So if you went into a spa, that's what you would expect the spa to smell like. It is lovely. It is lovely. So that is the aloe water and cucumber Scentsy pods. And we have one more thing. We have got Petals and Peach. I'm just going to give it a wipe because I sprayed the Scentsy Fresh all over it. We have got Petals and Peaches. So it says delicate freesia. I love the smell of freesia. Delicate freesia waves good morning to warm vanilla amber and juicy stone fruit. Okay, juicy stone fruit. I'm assuming that's the peaches because peaches have got a stone in the middle. So let's see. Oh my word, yes, that is yum. Oh, that is lovely. I'm just going to enjoy this. It has got those floral notes, but you can definitely smell the lovely fruity peaches. Vanilla amber. I am getting a bit of vanilla in there. Yeah, actually, the more I smell, I feel I need to smell the bottom of the bar, because when it sits like that, the oils sort of settle at the bottom of the bar. That's why you should always store flat and not like that. So store it flat and then the oils settle at the bottom. So when you smell it, sometimes it's better to smell the bottom. Wow, that, I tell you what, that is absolutely flipping gorgeous. Petals and peaches. There we go. I love that. So what an amazing box. So the box costs you £42, but it is worth about £57, £58. You've got your Scentsy Fresh, which is $14.50. You've got your all-purpose concentrate. Remember, this makes 6 bottles, so that's £24. But that's £24 for 6 bottles, okay? Because when you dilute it, that's what you get. You've got your peaches and petals, or petals and peaches wax bar, which is $7.25, and our pods, which are £12. So how flipping awesome is that? Lovely, lovely. It all smells amazing. I might have to go and do some cleaning. No, I don't think I will. But anyway, I'm going to get off. So I hope you've enjoyed hearing about our whiff box. If you would like to get one of these, you can pop onto our website. I will pop the link on this live, and I will also be sharing this into our group, and I will be sharing it on YouTube as well. If you would like to get one of these, click on the link. It will take you straight there, and you can order yourself one of these little boxes of happiness. In fact, you can even subscribe and get it delivered every single month, and if you subscribe, you get a little bit of a discount. So have a look at Scentsy Club while you're there. All right, take care, my darlings. I will speak to you very, very soon. Walking in a cleaning wonderland.